Hello everyone and welcome to my CLC or Crystal Clear's Black Dress music video inspired makeup, specifically Seunghee's look. Really pretty, warm-toned, pink smoky situation. There's glitter. It's just so simple yet so beautiful. Let's get started. Start off by priming your face. Here I'm using a silicone primer to create a smooth, even texture. Then apply a medium to full coverage foundation to give your skin a flawless appearance. For this look, choose a base with either a natural or matte finish. Apply concealer or a second layer foundation over areas where more coverage is needed. Use concealer or foundation to prime your eyelids as well. Set your base with a translucent powder. Here I'm using a tapping motion to apply an even layer without disrupting the foundation underneath. Comb your eyebrows upward with a spoolie, then outline the bottom edge with a brow pencil. Repeat this process along the top edge as well. Then comb your brows into place. Use small strokes of the pencil to fill in as needed, then use the spoolie to blend everything out. Keep a light hand as you work towards the front of the brow and blend to create a soft gradient. Set the brows with a clear gel, then clean up the edges with concealer or foundation on a small, flat brush. Apply a peachy pink blush or eyeshadow to your crease and outer corner, then blend it out. Continue to blend with a larger, fluffier brush. Repeat this process again, except this time placing the color even deeper in the crease and outer corner, practically on the lid, then continue to blend. Apply a peachy pink eyeliner pencil all over the lid just below the crease, then use your ring finger to blend it out. Pack on the blush from before to set the pencil and intensify the color, then continue to blend everything together. When using creams, pencils, or gels, it's best to work one eye at a time to prevent creasing. Take your time blending so that the edges appear soft and diffused. Repeat this process down the lower lash line, again working one eye at a time. Use a purple eyeshadow and a small angled brush to create a thin winged eyeliner. Your liner should be subtle yet still noticeable. Apply a champagne green glitter to the inner corner and down your lower lash line. Tightline with a black eyeliner pencil. Then clean up the waterline with the nude eyeliner pencil. Curl your lashes, then apply a black mascara. Here I'm using a waterproof formula to hold the curl in place. For this look, choose an everyday mascara to add soft definition to the eyes. Carefully coat your lower lashes as well. Lightly contour your nose with a powder. Apply a pink lip tint to the inner rim of your mouth, then put your lips together to blend and spread it out. Use a small detailing brush to fill in your lips and use your finger to help with the blending. Apply a second layer of tint to the inner rim and continue blending to create a gradient. Use concealer or foundation to clean up the edges. Finish off the makeup with a setting spray, and you're done. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. I think it's so pretty and easy to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel Tara for Your Wellness for more K-pop inspired makeup and other fun things. Until next time, take care and stay well.